Hello, family. I'm reading a 50-day devotional called the Bible MBA. And today's devotional, was pretty much talking about using the right metrics to measure success. And literally reminded me of a dream that I had years back. And this dream sort of pretty much influenced in a big way my decision to just pursue Christ. So in this dream, there were three artists. Two of them were very famous, and then one was me. The third was me. So the first one goes on stage, and it was amazing. There was so much applause, a lot of pomp and fanfare. And the second one goes on stage, same thing. Then I go on stage, nothing, not even a clap, nothing. So I was quite, depressed about it. And then God showed me a garden. It's a beautiful garden. I was like, wow. And then he's like, this is what you have done. And he was clapping. And he says, you need to make a decision now, who you want to be clapping for you. Is it going to be the world or is it going to be me? And, I think that's a decision we all need to make, because the world can put pressure on you that has nothing to do with what modeling Christ looks like. So you could think you're being productive, you're being successful, but are you modeling Christ? Are you, moving in the way that he wants you to be moving? Are you pursuing your purpose? And the verse that came with that was John 15:5, which is, look, he is the vine and we are the branches. And if we remain in him, we are going to bear much fruit. But sometimes that fruit may not necessarily be seen by the world. Sometimes that fruit is just going to be a reward in heaven, and that has to be okay. And that has to be a decision that you must make. So yeah, have a blessed day.